With our blueprint ready to be tested, we want to deploy it to an actual testnet. To do this, we'll use the blueprint deploy command. Since we're using a Tangle blueprint, we'll use it with the Tangle subcommand. So let's look at the help page. There are a few options that you'll need to specify to deploy your blueprint, some of which are consistent across a majority of the commands that we'll see today. This is primarily the HTTP URL, the WebSocket URL, and the key store path. The URLs are used for specifying the network that you want to target. The key store path is the path to the key store where the keys for deployment are. Package is used for specifying which package you want to deploy. This is only required if you are using a workspace with multiple packages. This example only has one, so we don't need to worry about that. The devnet flag is perfect for local testing. It spawns a local testnet in the background, and then deploys your blueprint to that instead of a specified URL. When using the devnet flag, we don't have to give it any other options, as it will automatically use the URL of the spawn testnet, and it will generate a key store and use that. So let's run the deploy command. All we need to do is specify the devnet flag. Since it's starting a local Tangle testnet in the background, this step may take a few seconds. The blueprint has now been deployed. This process will continue running to keep the testnet open. So if we scroll up, we'll see some important information. We'll see the WebSocket URL and the HTTP RPC URL, the address of the deployed blueprint, the ID of the blueprint, and here we can see the operator ID of Alice's account. If we open a new terminal and navigate to the blueprints directory, we can take a look at two key stores that were generated from the deploy command. First is the deploy key store. This key store holds the keys for Bob's account, the second account that comes automatically with the testnet that we're running. This key store is the one that will be used for deploying the blueprint, as well as requesting services and submitting jobs. The test key store holds Alice's keys, the first account that comes with the testnet we're running. This is also the account that we saw the ID for up at the top of our deploy output. This is the account that will actually be running the blueprint. So we'll use this key store when we register, when we accept the service request, when we run, and it will act as the operator in our demo.